Welcome to my YouTube channel, Pramod Ram, where you learn about digital marketing tips and tricks. Today I am going to talk about Google Trends and how to use Google Trends to do keyword research. What is Google Trends? Google Trends is a powerful tool that can be used for keyword research to identify popular topics and search terms related to a particular subject. Here are 7 easy steps to use Google Trends for keyword research. 1. Go to Google Trends. Go to the Google Trends website at https://trends.google.com/trends/. 2. Enter your search term. Enter the keyword or phrase that you want to research in the search bar at the top of the page. 3. Choose the date range and location. Select the time range and location that you want to analyze. You can choose from the last 24 hours, the past week, the past month, or the past year. You can also choose to view data from a specific country, region, or city. 4. View related queries. Scroll down to see the related queries section, which shows the top search terms related to your initial query. You can use this section to identify related keywords that you may want to target. 5. View related topics. Scroll down further to see the related topics section, which shows the top topics related to your initial query. This section can be useful for identifying broader themes and related topics that you may want to cover in your content. 6. Analyze interest over time. Look at the interest over time graph to see how the search volume for your chosen keyword has changed over time. You can use this information to identify trends and seasonal patterns, which can help you plan your content strategy. 7. Analyze regional interest. You can also view the interest by region section to see which regions are showing the most interest in your chosen keyword. This can be useful for targeting specific regions with your content. Thank you for watching this video on how to use Google Trends for keyword research. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful and informative. To summarize, we covered how Google Trends can help you identify popular search terms, compare keyword trends over time, and explore related topics and queries. By using this tool, you can better understand what your target audience is searching for and optimize your content to meet their needs. Remember, keyword research is a crucial step in any successful search engine optimization strategy. Using Google Trends, you can stay ahead of the competition and make data-driven decisions to improve your website's visibility and ranking on search engines. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on digital marketing and SEO. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.